to what I know all of you guys are waiting to hear, and that is our new system to help you really market this business, share these products, and take it to just a whole nother level. But so this is the landing page. Everyone has it. Everyone has it now. It's live. It's called livegoodtour.com/your username. livegoodtour.com. So livegoodtour.com/founder. That's where you send people. When they go here, they can click on this video to watch the video. When they do that, guys, all of you want to watch this video. It's about 5.5 minutes long. It is pretty freaking awesome. People who see this video are going to pre-enroll and they're going to join because they don't want to miss out. So the way this power line works, we've also changed the compensation plan. So we've actually changed it to a 2x15 forced matrix. And the reason we did that is because it helps the most amount of people make the most amount of money. Seeing every kind of compensation plan, every price point, everything in this industry, how a power line feeds into it, how a power line works with it. So this is a single power line that feeds into a 2x15 matrix. And I know that's kind of over a lot of people's heads. When you watch the video on that site, on livegoodtour.com/your username, watch the video. It literally explains, after a couple minutes of talking about the industry, the timing, all that stuff, it shows you exactly how the power line works and how the matrix works. So the sooner you lock in your position in the power line, the sooner you get placed in the matrix. Once you pre-enroll, this is the page you'll see. Thursday is the cutoff, and it'll be every week, every Thursday night. So this is what it's going to look like when you pre-enroll. Once you pre-enroll, people will be sent, and we have the whole email series to send them there, to securemyposition.com. This is where pre-enrollees put in their email so they can then see their power line. So when you click on my power line here, it'll show you all the pre-enrollees and members that are under you in the power line. And this number, these will continue to count, these pre-enrollees. So, I mean, next week, it'll probably be 10,400 or something members, and it's going to continue to grow. So each week, when you lock in your position, you move to the top of the power line and get placed in the matrix. If you don't lock in your position by Thursday, this is for pre-enrollees, you miss out and everyone below you gets placed in the matrix before you. Now, to upgrade your position in the power line, you must sign up as an affiliate and a member for $9.95. $40 plus $9.95 to join. So $49.95. Commissions are the same percentage. You actually get 25 on the 49. So because you get 50% of the 40 and 50% of the first month $9.95. So you sign up 2 people, you got your money back. You can actually earn, as it says here in the power line, over $2,000 a month without enrolling a single person, if you happen to have enough people placed under you. When you enroll people, you can up that significantly. I'll show you the new compensation plan here briefly. So this is kind of how the matrix pays. It starts out with 12 levels. Enroll a couple people. This is actually wrong. It should say 4,000 here. We got to update that. All the way up to $16,000 a month in the matrix, plus unlimited matching bonuses, infinite levels deep in your matrix. And we'll do a compensation plan call to explain that exactly. But that means, you know, we're going to have people making probably over $50,000 a month on this little $10 a month program. It's huge. We've also added for retail commissions, we've added, so these are the same as they were before, 50% of the difference between the member price and the retail price. I know I'm moving fast. We've added an influencer bonus. So for someone who just wants to retail product to customers, you're still going to get the 50% of the difference. So for example, if it's a $18 member price, $28 retail price, there's a $10 difference. You get 50% of it. That's $5. You can also earn up to an additional 50% for 100% of the difference. So if there's a $10 difference between retail and member, you get the whole thing. And that doesn't take away from all these other levels, these other 10 levels of commissions that go to the people above. So we're actually paying out like 120, 130% of the difference for influencers. This diamond pool is going to be huge. We kept that in there. What else do I want to show? Okay. With the influencer thing, we've added, here's another announcement, another site. This is a retail only site. It's called shoplivegood.com. Yeah, some people are going to be super excited about this. Some people aren't even going to use it. Totally your choice. But this page, it only shows the retail prices. It does not show the member prices. Okay. When you enroll 2 people, we talked about you get your money back. We also made that the rank qualification for bronze enrolling 2 people. That's huge. You actually triple your earning potential by enrolling 2 people in the matrix, because not only do you double your matrix commissions, but you also earn 50% matching bonuses on each of those 2 people. So triple your income potential up to, instead of $2,000 a month, you can make over $6,000 a month just by enrolling 2 people. Plus you're going to get your money back that fast. So we talked about the power line, the matrix, new pay plan, factor 4. I think that's it.